Hello my wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. If you're seeing my face for the first time, this is Ijelewan Mary-Odo. I'm from Ebonyi State, Nigeria, and that is where I live. Here in my channel I talk about health and spiritual tips. Here I teach you how life is made easy with herbs, roots and animal life in general. That is what I talk about. Today I want to teach you how to use egg to get what you want. How to use egg to get what you want. Spirit honors egg a lot. Any kind of spirit honor eggs. But before I go on with my teaching, a little housekeeping. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload video in this my channel, you'll be the first to get notified. And for my returning subscribers, you're welcome. Thank you for being part of this wonderful family. In case you need any of my products or services like consultation or any kind of spiritual work at all, you can chat me up on my only WhatsApp number 09061281100. Alright, distance is not a barrier. We can get to you wherever you are. Alright, I also want to show you something. Mary-Odo Healing Home is registered under the Association of Integrative Medicine Practitioners of Nigeria. We are registered. We also registered CAC. Mary-Odo Traditional Healing Home is registered under the Association of Nigeria. We are registered. It's not a legal thing. I don't do illegal thing. You can trust us with your health, both spiritual and physical. Distance is not a barrier. If your case needs spiritual attention, we tackle it spiritually before giving you our products. Because if you don't tackle it from the roots and just start from the stem, it will not go. The illness will not go. Because some illness that defiles medical treatment needs spiritual attention, so that helps or root or medication that you'll be giving to the person will enter, will have effect on the person's body. All right, let's go back. This is egg. Like I said earlier, that eggs are one of the tools you use to calm down the heart or the mind of the spirit, any spirit at all. Eggs work wonders in the life or in the spiritual realm. In the spiritual realm, eggs work wonders. You can use egg to set yourself free if applying well. You can use it, that is to set yourself free if you're in bondage. You can use it to get whatever you want from a spirit. All that matters is your heart. You can use egg to appease spirit. You can use egg to get favor. You can use egg to reconcile with your spiritual egg for a lot of things. But today I want to tell you how to use it to get favor from the spirit that is backing whatever affliction that has been inflicted to you by the evil one. When you get egg like this, take it outside, stand barefooted. Take it up to the sun, early morning sun. Call your name. Call on your chi, some call it Ori. Call your entities of powers. Call your ancestors. Call the earth you're standing, Mother Earth. Call the air, the fire, the sun, and You call the waters to bear you witness, to help you settle whatever problem you're having with any spirit that is behind whatever predicament you're facing in your life. They should help you and take away that energy that is backing up whatever that is happening to you. You know what you're passing through, you say it. After saying it, you use this egg to round your head like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to a straight road and smash it. When you smash the egg, you turn back and come to your house. Do not follow that road for the day. Do not follow that road again for that particular day. Then after that day, you continue following the road. Alright? These are simple things you'll be doing for yourself. And if the money comes out, like for example, you've gone to consultation, they told you what is wrong with you and you don't have money to do it, my dear. When you do it, you're praying, let's say you're praying for open door. When the door open, no matter how little, go and do that thing that you said you wanted to use, that you need that open door for. Spirits are wise, you don't joke with them. When you did not do it and the door closes because you did not keep to your own part of the agreement or what you said, they will not look at you. It will take time and it will cost you much for you to do it. You don't joke with spirit. They are not humans that you just treat anyhow and go scot-free. No, you don't do that. You are the one that used your mouth and enter into the agreement. Please, make sure you even keep record of what you're saying so that you will not make mistake. Alright? I love you guys. Thank you for hanging out with me. Please stay safe. Alright? Compliments of the season. I love you guys. Have a fruitful week ahead of you. Bye.